Today I want to talk about this 2-inch leveling kit. This fits 01 to 2010 2500 GM pickup trucks. So let's look at the box. First thing I noticed about this kit was the box that came with everything in it to do this install. It comes with new torsion bar leveling keys. These keys are a solid ductile cast iron CNC machine to provide 2 inches of lift to level your stance out front and rear on your truck. It comes with your instruction sheet for a very easy install. This kit also comes with the option to improve your ride quality with our upgraded shocks, or you can keep your factory shocks on your truck with our optional shock extensions. This kit will also enable you to use 33-inch tires to fit on your truck. These kits are designed to work with your factory suspension, to level the stance out front to back, to provide bigger tire clearances, and to retain your factory ride quality. And it also comes with Factory Protection Plus warranty. If you want to learn more about this kit, go to zoneoffroad.com. And if you want to stay up to date, go to our social media platforms, and I'll catch you later.